My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back, and for any new viewers, welcome. So today I am going to try to make this a short video. I promised you that I would come back and give you a 2-week update on a product that I introduced you to a couple weeks ago. It's by Platinum Skincare and it's Fade Bright Lightening Serum. And I'm using it because it was suggested to me by the owner of Platinum Skincare to use it for 10 to 14 days prior to doing a peel. But I didn't know that I didn't get that information until after I'd already done 2 glycolic 30 peels. And so now that I found that out, I got a hold of some Fade Bright. Jennifer was so nice that she sent me a bottle of this, and she sent me a TCA 13 peel. And so I used this for 2 weeks. You saw me apply it the first time, and today is the 2-week mark. And so yeah, I'm gonna post some pictures and let you be the judge as to whether or not you see any difference at all. I'll give you my opinion here in a minute, but to be fair, I do want to say that when I applied the Fade Bright for the first time, I read some stuff off of the website, and it did say in the instructions that you weren't really going to see results for 4 to 6 weeks. So, to be fair, this is only a 2-week update. Did you just see that? See that red dot right there? That is from hot glue gun. I burnt myself when I was doing my DIY on my Made with Love by Glama channel, and there's a blister on there, and that's what that is. I have a high temp glue gun, so be careful, they're dangerous. So anyway, I have been using this for 2 weeks, and I've been doing it. You can use it 1 or 2 times a day. I've been doing it 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening before I go to bed. And so yeah, I'm going to post some pictures, and I really want to hear your opinions on whether you think that you see a difference. And because I think I see a little bit of a difference. I think my under eye darkness has minimized. I think some of these age spots that I have, they're still there, but I think they're a little bit fainter. And I've got a dark spot right there. That one still looks the same to me, but the ones on my cheekbones seem to be a little bit lighter. But hey, maybe it's just me really wanting it. So I'm willing myself to see results already. I don't know. So yeah, I'm really excited to hear y'all's thoughts on that. So let me see. Like I said, this is kind of a premature 2-week update because, you know, we're really not supposed to see really good results for 4 to 6 weeks. So I am going to be back in the 4th week so that we can do an update. And then I'll be back on the 6th week so we can do our final update on Fade Bright. And you can make an informed decision as to whether or not you want to try it if you have some of the same problems that I do. Maybe you have redness, not darkness like I do. So yeah, this would be awesome for that. And even if you don't have like your darkness isn't as bad as mine. I have it right here, and I've got some age spots because hey, I am 52. Finally starting to see my age, and I'm not liking it. So I'm trying to get it under control before it takes over. But let's say you don't have the same problems that I do, and you just want to even out your skin tone. This is perfect for that. I also want to see if I can get my hands on I think Platinum Skincare has like a vitamin C serum or something. So I really want to do that to kind of use this and that to tackle the dark spots. Alright, so let me see. Am I forgetting anything? Today I'm going to make a separate video than this. After finishing this, I'm going to upload this. And then I'm going to actually do my first TCA 13 peel. This is a stronger peel than the 2 peels you've seen me do previous. Those were glycolic 30 peels, and that's like a really mild peel. And so I didn't see a whole lot of flaking or anything, so I'm really looking forward to trying this because you're supposed to see a lot more flaking, a lot more shedding. And I know that if you watched my glycolic 30 peels, you heard me talk about frosting and stuff like that. And so in case you don't know what that is, maybe I'll do some frosting with the TCA 13. Usually when you have frosting and you have red, what is she called it? Arrhythmia or something like that, where it kind of gets really red. That's when you know that the peel is doing something. It's going to be shedding a top layer of skin. But when you get that frosting, then you really know that you're going to be shedding some skin. So I'm really excited to see the types of results that I get with this peel. So anyway, that's not what it's about, right? It's about the Fade Bright. So I do want to let you know that I am going to continue using this for the full 6 weeks, but on the instructions of the Fade Bright, when we read them the last time, when I put this on for the first time, I read the instructions, and it says that when you're going to do a TCA peel, it gave you pre-peel instructions and then post-peel instructions. So the post-peel instructions say that you can continue using this on the 4th day of your peel. So today, which is going to be day 1, and then day 2 and day 3, I'm not going to use this, but then on the 4th day, I will continue using this again, and then I will come back in the 4th week and then the 6th week to see if any of these age spots have minimized even more. I hope so. Alrighty guys, I don't think I'm forgetting to tell you anything. Alright, so I think that's everything. Let me know down in the comments below if you see a difference. I really hope that I'm not the only one that's seeing a little bit of a difference. Don't forget, if you are seeing some results right now and you want to try it for yourself, go down to the description box and there's a link for Platinum Skincare. Just click on that and go check out their website and just type in Fade Bright if you're interested in this product. And don't forget to add the promo code GLAMA10 and you'll get 10% off. Yay! That code is good until June 22nd, 2018. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.